Hi everybody, it's Chief. I'm back again to read for you, or with you. This book is called The Nature Girls. I really like nature. We're nature girls. We must explore. We pack our bags. We're out the door. Well, they're all leaving their school or their house. And off we go. There's much to see. We'll start our journey by the sea. Wow. A pod of dolphins swims nearby. The fish come too. We all say hi. A pod is a group of dolphins, and a group of fish is called a school. That's kind of silly, isn't it? It's time to go. We march along. We smile at birds and share their songs. Look at all the birds. On we trek across the land. Up ahead, we see some sand. As they're in the desert. A camel pads up and to our side. He takes us all for a bumpy ride. There's a lot of girls on that camel. Oops, I skipped a page. In the tall grass, we creep up slow. All around are buffalo. There's a buffalo there, and there's one over there. Lots of other animals too. See ya, plains, it's been a nice. Now we're off to find some ice. A tawny owl, she sees us too. She hoots a question. Who are you? I bet they say, we're the nature girls. The tundra has snow everywhere. Look how cute an Arctic hare. Can you find the Arctic hare? I had to find it. There's one there, and there's another one over there. They're white, so they blend in with the snow. They're very hard to see.
Oh my, that is hard to see.
There's one more stop on our big trip. We've got our compass and our ship. It's a big sailing ship, isn't it? The forest lush and filled with sound. Look at all this life we found. Look at all the animals. There's a squirrel and an owl. There's a fox in a tree. I've never seen a fox in a tree before. Uh-oh, there we go. It's hard to leave, but we must go. There's more to see and do and know. I know there's another page here. Oh, yes. They went to all these biomes. There's lots of words on this page, but they went to the ocean, which is aquatic, and the desert, and the grassland, and the tundra, which is all snowy, and the forest. See if you can find books about all these biomes at your library. And that is the Nature Girls. See you next time. Bye-bye.